Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Jio Bharat phone has 4G service and an active Jio SIM so streaming works. Open the phone's App Store, search YouTube and install or update it. This avoids codec or security issues. Once done, grant the app required permissions like storage and background data so videos play smoothly. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is on if you plan to save data. Choose lower playback quality in settings before you begin watching. You should sign in with your Google account to access subscriptions, playlists, and watch history. This also enables personalized recommendations. Next, open settings and set default playback quality. Select 480p or 360p if you have a limited plan to reduce buffering. Turn on captions for noisy environments and configure offline downloads to save videos when on Wi-Fi. Also make sure autoplay and background play options match your needs. Now you can play videos. Use search, voice input, or go to subscriptions for quick access. Tap the three dots to download videos for offline viewing, check available storage, and choose quality to fit space. If playback stutters, first pause and let buffering catch up, then try clearing the app cache or force stopping YouTube and restarting the phone. If problems persist, toggle airplane mode or sign out and back in. These steps resolve most connectivity or auth issues without losing your playlists.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.